Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Oh! Super truck!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Super Truck? Jerry, Super Truck is here to help.
Hey!
You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Super Truck, you need to act fast.
Va, Linda.
Hurry up, Super Truck. Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Super Truck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later. Carrie, where are you going in such a hurry? Late for a delivery, eh? Carrie, did you hear the siren? Sounds like Bobby is in trouble. What's going on, Bobby? Bobby, sharks followed you from the ocean. Be careful. Carrie, Bobby can't hear you. Look at the road you're about to... Carrie!
Hey!
Carl! Carrie and Bobby are in trouble. Carrie fell off the bridge, landed on a water lily, and now sharks are coming for them. You need to save them, quick! Look, Carl! Carrie's over there! Oh no! Sharks will be unleashed from the opening bridge any minute now! Quick, Carl! Do you know what vehicle you'll transform into to save her?
Hey! 어머! 뭐?
Carrie, look who's here! You forgot about the sharks. Better watch out! Bobby, Super Truck needs you to tow Carrie to the shore. Hold on, Carrie! You better hurry, Bobby! They're coming! You need to act fast, Carl!
Hey! Benato!
Excellent idea! You can use your magnificent ST-3000, of course!
주목!
Hurry, guys! Wow! Super Truck, it's working! It's pushing the sharks away! Keep it going! Amazing! You scared the sharks away, Super Truck! Well done! Thanks for your help, Super Truck. You're right, Bobby. We'd better make the canal a safer place. Great idea, Super Truck. Let's use a net. Have fun, guys. Hi, Jerry. Trying to break the speed record? It doesn't matter if you're not fast, Ben. There are lots of other things you can do. You want to race again? Ben, what's that? You took the town hall's energy canister. It's dangerous. Take it off. You can't slow down. Oh, no. Carl, we have a problem. Ben has stolen an energy canister, and now he can't stop. You have to help him.
Hey. Huh.
Carl, Ben is going way too fast. Which transformation will you choose to catch him?
Hey.
Careful, Super Truck! Carl, you must catch him at all costs! He's heading toward the closing bridge! Ben, be careful! The bridge is not closed yet! Carl, use your special tool, the ST-3000!
Bien-aimé. Renato.
A grappling hook? That's great! Don't panic, Ben. Carl is pulling you so that you don't cross the bridge yet. Phew! The bridge is closed anyway. Uh-oh! You've got something, Super Truck! Look out! Whoa!
Michumo. Kappa.
Wow! Nice landing! Oops. You're out of danger now, Ben.
Morati Kappa.
Thank you, Super Truck! You saved the city!
Bien-aimé.
Hey!
Hey, have a day. Bien-aimé. Renato.
Edna, take your headphones off. There's a fire all around you. The fire is spreading too quickly. You need help. Carl, there's a fire at the park. The city needs your skills.
Oh non.
Edna must have hit a pipe. Super Truck, what will you transform into to get rid of these fires?
Ma neme, Renato.
A fire truck? Of course! Good job! But there's still plenty more to go. There's something on your left. To the right now.
Renato.
Edna, Super Truck is here to help. Super Truck, the fire has spread around the park.
Ma neme, Renato. Michumo.
You're going to use the ST-3000? Oh boy, I can't wait to see what it does this time. A water tank? Amazing! Wow, it's really working! It's putting out fires too! Oh no! Carl, you have to stop the fire before it gets there! Phew, that was a close one! Wow! Impressive stunt, Marley! Right, I think that's enough fire for one day.
Ma neme, Renato.
You want Marley to jump over you? Okay, have fun, guys!